After the supreme sacrifice of more than 2,500 Indian soldiers, Bangladesh became an independent country from Pakistan in 1971. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is India and Bangladesh relationship. Friends, as all we know, today Bangladesh is a country after Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, and after that, India was the first country to recognize the Bangladesh. And in 1971, both countries have signed a treaty of friendship and cooperation, and that was the foundation of modern India-Bangladesh relation. Today, both share more than 4,000 kilometer long border from the West Bengal, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. And Bangladesh is bounded from the three side of India. Friends, today both countries share cultural, historical, art, literature, music, as well as religious link. And most recently, India have invited the Bangladesh as India's special guest to attend the G20 summit in August 2023, and that shows how the relation between India and Bangladesh entered in a golden chapter of the modern relation. So now let's talk what are the area of cooperation between India and Bangladesh. Then first is economic. India is the largest trading partner for Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is the sixth largest trading partner of India, and both have trade of more than 18 billion US dollar in 2021 to 2022. Second is tourism. Bangladesh is largest tourist spot for India, and that also include the medical treatment as well as the education. Third is energy security. It has increased rapidly in the last few years when India and Bangladesh have signed a treaty of a pipeline in 2018, and some other area of cooperation, that is the connectivity, because both have a large border between both the country, and also both have a rail connectivity to join the northeast India to Bangladesh. Friends, if I talk about some area of concern between both the countries, then first is Tista River project. Friends, it is a major concern between both the country. Bangladesh have claimed many times of getting not fair distribution of water. Second is illegal migration from the Bangladesh to India, as well as the Rohingya refugees that has matter of concern between both the country. Third is terrorism, as well as human trafficking and drugs smuggling that have happened in last few years, that has grown rapidly. Friends, if I talk about the major concern, that is growing Chinese influence. Bangladesh is a active member of Belt and Road Initiative, and Bangladesh also buy defense equipments as well as submarine from the China, and that is the national security threat for India. Friends, in my conclusion, as a way forward, today both countries need to solve all the issues related to border, as well as the water dispute, drugs smuggling, human trafficking, illegal migration, refugees crisis, and India need to counter the China by the assisting Bangladesh in AI field, uh, some agriculture field, as well as in many IT sector. So Bangladesh can also be developed in those fields. And Bangladesh should not forget the assisting of India in very bad time for Bangladesh, and Bangladesh should not go for the China, because they should understand and learn from the consequences of Sri Lanka as well as Pakistan, and that will be beneficial for the region and for the both countries. Thank you.